Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Maybe the shortest video I've ever made. Somebody actually sent me a video of what their problem is. It's really great when you can see exactly what the problem was. But he's trying to draw a straight line and he said he can't see the nodes. Well, I've got mine doing the same thing right now for a reason. It's not on the node. So right up here on your bar is snap to, and I turned off my snap to object. Then when you grab your line tool, your 2-point line or whatever line, it'll have a node there. It'll snap to that node and it'll snap to that node. You can find the node, you can find the middle. There's the edge, there's the midpoint. If you don't have snap to, it won't do it. It's the same thing, everything. I don't ever do baseline or document, but guidelines and page, because I might want to snap it to the page. If I want to take this object and I want to, well, for instance, right here, when you bring in your rulers, you want them to snap to your page. I like snapping to guidelines, so I have my guideline turned on, so I can grab all this and I can snap to that guideline. It'll just literally snap to it. And it's there and it's right on the money. So all it is right up here. Now this is later versions. I don't really remember where it used to not have a deal, but you can find it under tools in Snap to. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.